This is this brand new house on 5280 Southwest 80th Street. Just new construction, and it has 6 bedrooms, 6 baths, 3-car garage, and a guest suite. The lot is 20,982 square feet, and the AC area is 7,075 square feet. It's beautiful, Florida coast style architecture. Come with me. They have a nice summer kitchen here, very nice. This is a refrigerator, I guess. Super nice house, very nice. Love the stove with the wolf. It has the griddle and the grill. Wow, this is super nice. Okay, I like the sink too. This is nice. You can put your fruits and vegetables. And I guess these are dishwasher. Cove is the brand. Very nice. Yeah, they're all storage. I have it in my house, so that's why. I want to point out to the stairs. It's a special marble stone. It's really pretty. Okay, nice. This is a midnight kitchen, kind of a bar, and for TV. Nice walk-in closet. Nice view, all green. Good architect, because all the bathrooms have natural light. This is an elevator. Let's see the master. Wow, nice master. Look at the bathroom. Nice double shower, hand shower, and tub. That is great. I have 2 separate toilets. And again, natural light. That's super. And a chair, maybe a little low. I would put it up so you can put the makeup. Wow, they have a seating area. This is all the master. And it's nice because the neighbor is a wall, like a new house as a neighbor, all new houses in the neighborhood. Wow, this is good. Look at the closet. Wow, this is amazing. Also natural light. I love this because it's all with natural light. Big mirror, lights. So now from the women's side that has a mirror is beautiful to the men's side. Huge closet. 2. I think this should be the women for shoes. Nice. These are so this is in the first floor. It's another bedroom bath. Very big. Maybe for guests, and you have directly access to the pool. Nice bathroom, and this is kind of a Jack and Jill. You have 2 bedrooms sharing this one. I think the architect who did this is from New York because they did like a mud room. I love this. But we don't have that a lot in Florida, but I love it. You can take your shoes off, hang your things, and the laundry. Also with natural light. This is great. And double machine. All for the price of $9,999. Anyway, $10 million. Ciao, see you next time.